Welcome to this calm exploration of egg nutrition, a topic that invites us to observe a whole egg and a cross-section that shows its yolk and white, both belonging to the humble Gallus domesticus. For countless generations across diverse cultures, eggs have been cherished as an accessible package of proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals that can support our well-being. Today, we take a quiet, evidence-based journey through 7 key nutritional facts that highlight why eggs continue to hold a place at the center of many healthy eating patterns. First, we turn our attention to the complete protein content found in each egg. This complete protein status is a reference to the presence of all 9 essential amino acids, meaning the human body receives the building blocks it cannot synthesize on its own. With about 6 grams of high-quality protein in a single egg, this modest food can help you maintain muscle mass, facilitate tissue repair, and aid in the formation of vital enzymes and immune cells. Multiple studies indicate that consuming adequate levels of complete protein from foods like eggs can help curb cravings, extend feelings of fullness, and support healthy body composition over time. Second, we explore the often overlooked nutrient choline, which is found primarily in the yolk. Choline is important for synthesizing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for muscle activation, as well as memory processes and general brain function. As some research suggests, many people do not get sufficient choline from their regular diet, which is why including eggs, rich in this nutrient, can offer benefits for cognitive health and may assist in maintaining liver function. Because the body's capacity to produce choline is limited, relying on foods that deliver a notable supply, such as eggs, is a sensible choice for both youth and adults. Third, we examine the delicate balance of fats present in an egg. The yolk contains a blend of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats along with a portion of saturated fat. Monounsaturated fats, like oleic acid, are often linked to heart health benefits, while polyunsaturated fats provide essential fatty acids that the body needs to build cell membranes and produce hormone-like substances. Dietary cholesterol found in eggs has triggered debate in the past, but current guidelines often emphasize that for most people, moderate egg consumption does not necessarily spike harmful cholesterol levels. Instead, eggs can fit neatly into meal plans that focus on variety, balanced portions, and nutrient-rich foods. Fourth, we take a gentle look at vitamins B2, D, and A. Vitamin B2, also called riboflavin, plays a vital role in the body's energy metabolism, helping turn the food we eat into usable fuel. Vitamin D is crucial for bone health, working behind the scenes to support calcium absorption. It also has an influence on immune function, which underscores the significance of obtaining enough of this nutrient. Meanwhile, vitamin A delivers support for healthy vision, notably in low-light situations, and aids in immune health. Although the amounts of these vitamins in eggs might not be large enough to supply your entire daily requirement, they do contribute meaningfully to your overall nutrient intake when combined with other wholesome foods. Fifth, we look at selenium and trace minerals, quiet workers that maintain many body systems without drawing much attention. Selenium contributes to the body's antioxidant defenses, collaborating with vitamin E to protect cells from oxidative damage. It also supports a healthy thyroid, which regulates metabolic activity and influences how we use energy. As you enjoy eggs in your routine, these trace minerals can seamlessly integrate into your diet, filling crucial nutritional gaps that might otherwise go unnoticed. Sixth, we highlight the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that accumulate in the macular region of the eye. Their role in filtering high-energy wavelengths of light may help reduce oxidative stress on the retina, which in turn promotes eye health and may even lower the risk of macular downturn over time. While leafy green vegetables are another well-known source of these carotenoids, the yolk in eggs has a highly bioavailable form that can make them an appealing addition for those looking to fortify their visual health. Seventh, we consider the overall accessibility and flexibility of eggs, which many people appreciate for their relatively low cost and versatile preparation methods. You can boil them, poach them, scramble them, or bake them into an assortment of dishes, all while preserving much of their nutritional content. Whether you follow a diet that leans towards plant-based foods with the occasional egg, or simply enjoy them daily, their proteins, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can quietly contribute to a balanced nutritional foundation. As we come to the close of this calm journey through the science of egg nutrition, we see how one simple food can offer so many tangible benefits that align with human biology. By pausing to notice the intricate interplay of amino acids, fats, vitamins, minerals, and unique antioxidants, we gain a renewed appreciation for this timeless addition to breakfast plates and beyond. Eggs may not be the sole key to robust health, but they demonstrate how even a small, unassuming item can have a significant positive impact when included sensibly in a varied diet. Thanks for watching this quiet journey through egg nutrition science. We appreciate your interest in these 7 evidence-based facts and hope this exploration provided fresh insight into how a single egg, from the whole shape to its cross-section revealing yolk and white, can deliver so much of what our bodies seek. See you next time.